Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. If you are coming across my video for the first time, you are very welcome to this channel. Please, before you leave, click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell close to it so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, today is another gist. I've brought to you another gist. Like, I'm so surprised. A lot is happening in Nigeria. Edo State, to be precise. Edo State. Oh, Jesus. I saw a video this morning. I was like, no, this can't be. For real, this is really happening in Edo State. I was like, I'm not sure. But, truth be told, that country need prayer. That state, Edo State, needs serious prayer. Serious prayers. As you can see the topic down below, let me not take the thing too personal, but the thing is just really making me to feel sad a little bit. As you can see the topic down below, you see that the Osokbikans people, hey, they are taking over. All this confraternity people are taking over. They are taking over because of the bomb and everything that is happening. Where are all believers? There is a lot of big churches in Edo State. Where are all of them? Why can't you all join hands together and pray? And pray for Edo State. But nobody is just putting that country in prayer at all. To be sincere, nobody. Because we are just self-centered people. We just know our own. But anyway, let me not talk too much because I don't want to take much of your time that you say, what is this guy saying? Just see this video for yourself. Then you will understand what I'm saying.
Few weeks ago, explosive devices rocked the residence of an APC chieftain in Edo State, Engineer Lawrence Oka, by yet to be identified persons, with the police public relations officer DSP Chidi Wambuzo confirming the incident.
One Honorable Lawrence Oka reported through a distress call there was an explosion in his compound. On getting to the scene, they discovered that there was an explosion.
Worried by the trend, members of the Osokbikan confraternity, led by Chief Omo Osagie Utetenegiabi, the Oba Dolagmoyi of Benin, were at the residence of Engineer Lawrence Oka in solidarity and to place a curse on those who are directly or indirectly involved in the recent bombing of a section of the building. From the residence of Engineer Lawrence Oka, the group proceeded to Saple Road Junction as well as Igu Junction to carry out same exercise. Commenting on the essence of the role of Osokbikan, the spokesperson, Chief Omo Osagie Utetenegiabi, said they decided to embark on the spiritual exercise because they are worried that the political scene in Edo State has assumed a worrisome dimension, a situation which it said has never happened in the politics of Edo State over the years.
The killings in Benin land, shooting in Benin land, throwing bombs in people's houses. This is not in the interest of the Oba of Benin. It is not in the interest of the Benin man. And so we are putting a curse on whoever is orchestrating it.
The factional APC Publicity Secretary in Edo State, Chris Azebama, said although the victim, Engineer Lawrence Oka, is from a Christian home, other interested parties decided to carry out the exercise owing to the love they have for the APC chieftain.
Propaganda went out that we were actually bombing ourselves. They said members of the State ESCO were organizing this to discredit the government of Governor Obaseki, which is not true. And so the families of the victim, that's Lawrence Oka, organized this.
The attack on the residence of Engineer Lawrence Oka has since been condemned by some other persons in the society. Best Mbire reporting.
So guys, we have all seen for ourselves. Actually, darkness is taking over Edo State. The thing, like that state needs serious prayer. Serious prayer. I don't know why people, like all the bombing, all the kidnapping, all the killings of innocent people. I don't know why. I don't really know why. Why is all this happening? I know that everything happening now as the Bible have already talked about it before. The Bible have already recorded it before that all these things will happen. But the way we are taking things is not good at all. Let us not be self-centered. The truth be told. Let's pray for Edo State. I know many people will not like this video. She's doing like this, she's doing like that. You don't like the way I talk, you don't like the way I do this one. That is your business. So but if you know you have family, relatives in Edo State, you have friends in Edo State, and Edo State is where you were born and brought up, you will take what I'm saying serious. You will not look at the way I'm addressing the thing. It's not that I really have business with the video, but what I just want you all to see is that the level things are now in Edo State. Nobody is safe. Nobody is safe. Sapele Road is where all of us have passed. Sapele Road is where all of us have go. Somebody that was born in Edo State that have not go to Sapele Road. It's not that maybe the person, I don't know, you might have passed or you forgot. But Sapele Road is the place all of us have come across in our life. Even if, like, the thing, your family is not, maybe the killing have not get to where your family is. The killing or the kidnapping have not get to your family. It does not exempt your family from the danger in that state. Let's put it together. Let's come together as one. Let's pray for Edo State. Edo State needs our prayer. We are not there now, but they need our prayer. Our prayer can go a long way. Darkness is taking over very fast. Darkness is taking over. Please, please, brothers and sisters, I beg. Please, I'm begging you all. Put Edo State in your prayer. Please. Put Edo State in your prayers. Tell your families to be careful. Your friends, tell them to be careful. I know a lot of people have not come across this video, but that is why I put the video so that all of us will see. Anybody that come across this video, I put the video so that you can see what is really going on. Even your parents, even your relative that is in that Edo State, most of them don't know this thing. Most of them don't know that this thing is happening. But you that have the privilege to come across it, you that know this thing, inform them, inform others. Let's put it together. It's a serious battle. We are just looking at maybe they are just playing. If you know what idol is, if you know what they are doing there in that video, you know that they are not playing. They are not playing. There is so serious business as they were doing that video. You know what problem with us Africans, Nigeria people? We take things for granted. We take things as we just see, I mean, just be like that, like, you know, concern me. That is our major problem. You know, concern me. It's not my business. That is our major problem. Please, everyone, please put Edo State in prayer. Biko, please. Sorry, I'm using language. Many of you will be imagine. Maybe I don't. It's not that I don't know what to say, but the thing is just like, you cannot weigh me down anyway. But the thing is just, it's just somehow, like, I'm still trying to communicate. I'm still trying to put things together. All those videos, I'm just trying to put together what they are doing. The reason why we should put our families Edo State in prayer is in that video. Is that video. You know, the most painful part of all this whole thing is that innocent people, they are using their head to carry it. They are using people as sacrifice. They are killing innocent people. They are kidnapping people. Let us not be self-centered though, that this thing now is not my business. My family is not there. I have said it before. Please, let's put everyone in prayer. Edo State, put it in prayer. Inform other people about things that are going on. Let them be extremely careful. Let them be extremely careful. Okay? Well, guys, I just want you to rewatch this video. Like, rewatch it, understand. In fact, especially that particular part, rewatch it so that you will understand what I'm saying. I don't have much to say. I just come to share these thoughts I have in my heart with everybody. The thought I have in my heart is just for everybody to come together to pray, to add Edo State in their prayer. That is the only thought. As I was watching the video, that is the only thought that came to my heart. So I will be staging to keep it to myself, because the prayer of others can go a long way. So guys, I'll be stopping here. If you know you find my video helpful, if you know you find my content useful, helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, please, and click the notification bell close to it so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your like. Give this video also a thumbs up, please. It's very important. And also leave your comment, leave your take, leave a word of prayer after watching this video. God bless you all. I will see you all in my next video.